Okay, I'm gonna do single crochet all around. Just do single crochet. Just continue single crochet, then I'll meet you in the end. I did my single crochet. Now we're gonna go into the second round. So just a slip stitch here, and we're gonna chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you skip 1 stitch, and then to the second one, single crochet. Repeat the same procedure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You skip 1 stitch and single crochet in the next stitch, like that. Just repeat same procedure until you finish. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'll show you guys. And then skip this one, and then the second stitch you do single crochet. There you go. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second stitch. There. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip 1 stitch, the second stitch, single crochet. It's just like that. So you're gonna repeat same procedure until you finish. Okay, I'm gonna do one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip 1 stitch and then single crochet to the second stitch. Yeah, just like that. Okay, I'm gonna meet you in the end. Okay guys, I'm in the last one now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, just slip stitch here. Okay, for the third round, I'm gonna do, okay, to this circle, I'm gonna do single crochet and then chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and then double crochet. 1, 2, chain 1, and then double crochet, chain 1, double crochet again for 4 times. Okay, there's 1, 2, 3, one more, chain 1 and then do double crochet. Okay, now we're gonna do chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and then single crochet in the same, and here in the same stitch. Okay, now single crochet to the next and then we're gonna chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, from here we're gonna count 1, 2, 3, and then slip stitch, then chain 2, 1, 2, and then single crochet in the same stitch like that. Okay, that's the leaves. Okay, now next single crochet, repeat the same procedure for this one. Okay, and then I'm gonna chain 3 again, 1, 2, 3, and then double crochet, chain 1, double crochet again for 4 times. Okay, chain 1, double crochet, one more, 1, chain 1, double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, then single crochet in the same stitch, just like that. Now we're gonna do this one, single crochet, chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're gonna count 1, 2, 3, and then slip stitch to the 3rd stitch, into the 3rd stitch, and then chain 2, 1, 2, and then single crochet in the same stitch. Okay, there you go, that's the leaves. Okay, I'm gonna show more. I'll do again, chain, single crochet, and then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, double crochet, 1 double crochet, single crochet, and then double crochet. Okay, single crochet and double crochet, single crochet and double crochet. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't count this one because it's not counted, so we count here 1, 2, 3, 4, and then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then single crochet in the same stitch. Yep, it's just like that. Okay, I'll show you one more time for this one, for the leaves. Go single crochet, next stitch, chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then from the bottom we count 3, 1, 2, 3, and then the slip stitch like that, and then chain 2, 1, 2, and then single crochet in the same stitch. Yeah, just continue until you finish. I'm gonna meet you there.